I'm going to explain you my database exercise. Coming to this, just show you the questions what I have. Exercise 8, functions and procedures. Uh, Functions and procedures are nothing but functions which returns the value and procedures does not return the value. And we'll see the coding here. The question they asked is this procedure that will accept the product ID from the user and just check the product is supplied by the supplier and display the status. So we'll go for the thing. The syntax is create or replace procedure name, and the attributes whatever we are giving is, and the declaration whatever variables you are going to declare, and begin, and the select statements, display statements, so on, and then comes the slash to execute this. So here I'm just taking pi, and I'm declaring the value as si supplier dot sid type, and then I'm just executing the select query, select sid into the si from supplier where pid is equals to pi, and whatever value we are getting, it's checking with the product id or in the supplier table, and then just gives the sid, then we'll just display the sid. This is just used to run the create the procedure, so that will just run, then it's running, and here we see procedure is created, and then this block is used to display the output whatever we have. So we just get display declare and begin, and the procedure name and the value what we are passing. This is the value I'm just putting 1000. This is the product id, so I just put 1000 and then n and then give slash, and we'll run this. We got out like one, this is the supplier id, given supplier id, that's 1 2 3 and on. Statement got processed. Coming to the next question, I'll same like that second one, and then we'll go to the third one. Then it gives the task to produce a rice quantity which increases the quantity of the ordered product. Okay, then go to the code. Here is the code, and then here they asked to give order ID and quantity as attributes for the procedure rice quantity, and then we have declared some variables, and then here we have used select order quantity from order quantity table where order ID is equals to order ID. Order ID should be equals to whatever order ID we are passing, then it returns order quantity column, then we'll display it, and coming to the next one, same as order ID should match to order ID in order quantity table. We are updating the value whatever it is, then we'll just display update done. We'll just run this one now. Procedure will get created, got created here. Again coming to this okay, we'll run the declare block, how to execute the procedure. We have declared the procedure got came, and it is displayed like current value is 20 and update done. Then coming to the next is functions. What functions? Functions is nothing but returning values. It returns the values. So when we go to the coding here, just asked create a function status, and then if the product number matches, they ask matches in the supplier table. They ask to print supply. If it don't match, and they ask to print not supply. Just use some logic over here. Here create or replace, and we created a here the difference between the procedure and functions is a function status, and we use return, and the type of the value what we are returning is like varchar, then is or as we use, and then declaration same as begin and some statements, and then n and slash. So this is the query what we have done. Just put in a supplier table. We've just compared the product ID with the product ID in the supplier table, and then if it is, then we are giving. Okay, we'll just run the code now. Function got created, and in that thing I am just executing the function statement got thing. So the value whatever I am passing 1000 is there. It's equal to the product ID. So the just display supply. And coming to the next query, just ask return the product name when the product ID is passed as an argument. When the product ID is passed as an argument, they ask to return the product name. So nothing but just the product ID we are passing, and then we have to return the product name. So here where is the code? We have done the function, and then we'll yeah, I have given here the name as product ID as 1000. So the product name what is related to that came as office desk. And coming to the next, I have write a PLSQL function to return a maximum quantity ordered by the customers. It's nothing but using functions here again, building functions. The building function is this max value of the ordered quantity, whatever is there in the ordered quantity table. Same query will run the function I have created, and I'll just show you the output here. And just I'm giving the maximum quantity ordered is 20, and the statement got processed. Actually, I have passed. I just passed the value. Nothing, just whatever the maximum value is there, it got printed here as 20. As the ordered quantity was 20, it got printed.